This is the MOZA Air. Big shout out to MOZA for sending this out so I can do a nice unboxing on it and show you everything that it comes with. As you can see, it comes with its own hard case, which I actually really like because it comes with a hard foam insert where everything fits perfectly. They also gave me a little shirt. And here goes the instruction manual, which is actually really detailed. You should read it. As you see, everything form fitted in that hard case. Really, really awesome. I love it. Yeah, of course, I gotta stop to take some selfies. Everything goes in its own place. And as you can see, it comes with a tripod, comes with lower handle, and of course you get 3 batteries that are lithium ion and rechargeable. It comes with a thumb control, which is actually really awesome. I'll go into more detail on that later. You get a battery charger for 4 batteries, which actually charges pretty fast. And oops, I dropped the control. So this is the gimbal head itself. This thing handles up to 7 pounds, which is insane. So these cables in this bag here are for Sony, Panasonic, and Canon. And then you also get a lens support that will attach to the front of the gimbal. And that's what this is right here. This nice little velveteen type bag stows away very quickly, and you can also add things if you need to and put them in there nice and neat. I love cable management, and this little bag is really nice for that. So the little tripod mounts onto the bottom, which is a 1/4-20, and it also has a 3/8 on the bottom of the handle. This little setup right here is a Sony a6000 without a lens. I forgot my lens, which is terrible, I know, but I have a little lume cube mounted up on top of it to add some weight, so I'm able to do this. As you can see, you get a full 360 degrees on a lot of different angles, and then you also get the dual handles in the box, which makes it awesome. So go ahead and check out MOZA on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter, and be sure to follow me on all of those things and click that snap code right there in the corner. Take a screenshot and add me on Snapchat so we can talk, guys. I really appreciate you checking us out and checking out this video. Big shout out to MOZA for everything, and you have a great day.